yes, I do look like winter. Um, but we're going to be trying on some summer things because it may be cold where I am now. But by Monday, 4 more days, it looks like it'll be in the 60s, 70s from there on out. So I'm really, really sick of this stuff. So, but we have two cute summer dresses to try on. Uh, when I'm, yeah, when I'm not sure how it's going to look. So let's get going. This is the dress I was a little unsure about, but I'm not sure whether it translates on camera. My yarn just fell out, so we're just going to forget about that. If you can see all these pleats here on the side, what you can't see is they're all through the entire dress, right? Well, my thing is looks great now. What's it gonna look like after you wash it? Like, I don't know whether it would be possible to get these pleats in place or whether I'm gonna wash it, shake it, and let it dry, and the pleats will just, you know, they're like pressed into it so well that they'll just stay. I don't know. But what do you think? It's different. It's got this. This is adjustable. You could undo this. When I first put it on, it was like to here. It sagged, you know. So, yeah, it's kind of cute. Length is good. You can still wear a bra with it. I like one shoulder outfits. As long as they don't go up too high, this one's fine. Let me know what you think. Is this a keep or is this a pass? Next up is something a little more casual, and let's get to it. I got to put on these purple shoes. And I think they look great with it. I don't have a purple purse, but all the white goes well with it. Wish it was just a tad looser here, but I can't say that it's necessarily tight because it's got all the stretch in the back. So I think it's just my self-conscious lines here, you know. Yeah. But it is vibrant. You could put this with a pair of sandals on and just wear it for the day, or hey, put a pair of heels on and you can wear it out for dinner. I love things that, you know, just throw a pair of heels on, curl your hair, do something, and yeah, get double use out of them. Tell me what you think. Should I keep either of them, or should I pass them and look for better things? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you as always for your support, and we'll see you soon.